For the 2018 municipal election, you have the option to vote online. In the following video, we will guide you through the online voting process. Before the election, you will receive a voter instruction letter from your municipality with your PIN and instructions on how to vote. This letter will be delivered by mail. Remember that this document belongs only to you and must be kept private and safe. You are not required to provide this information to anyone. For online voting, you will need your voter instruction letter and a supported device with an internet connection. In your voter instruction letter, you will find the information required to access the system. This includes your PIN, needed to identify yourself for voting, the web address to access the voting portal, and other important information related to the election. Please take some time to read the letter and verify your information is correct. To vote online, go to the web address listed in your letter and log in with your PIN and identification information. If you need assistance at any point in the voting process, simply click on the Information button on the top right of the page. Remember, you can also select the option Decline to Vote in case you do not want to cast a ballot in the 2018 municipal election. During the voting process, a progress bar on top of the screen will show you where you are and how many steps are left to submit your ballot. Remember that once you have started to vote, you should complete all the races to be able to submit the entire ballot. The race page will display all the candidates for an office. If you do not want to vote for a particular race, you can leave your selections blank and move on to the next race. Take your time to select the candidate of your choice. When your selections have been made, press Next to go to the next race. Once you have made all of your selections, you will be given a final opportunity to review your choices. You can still change your selections by pressing Change Selection and going back to the previous step. If you agree with the ballot content, press Submit Ballot. When you submit your ballot, your vote will be securely cast and stored in the digital ballot box. At this point, your vote for the 2018 municipal election is final and cannot be changed. You will receive a confirmation number that your ballot has been successfully submitted. You may choose to write down this number. Once you have finished voting, exit the system. Thank you for viewing this informational video. If you need further information, please visit your municipal website.